Good morning and welcome to another video. Today in this video I'm going to unbox this parcel. This is Sj6 Legend. I already used one Sj6 Legend, but now this is not working anymore. This camera is damaged by me. Same piece, same thing, but most probably in a different color, which is inside this parcel. So now I'm going to open this parcel and unbox the Sj6 Legend. So before opening the parcel, you must be thinking why I purchased same camera once again. The main reason is I have lots of accessories of Sj6 Legend and I don't want to upgrade. I find quality very good, very helpful, and see this much of thing I'm having of this Sj6 Legend, but this is not working anymore, so I planned to purchase another one. This is not that much expensive. I purchased this one for 11,500 in 2017 and now I purchased it for 9,500 in 2021. 2,000 price dropped, but anyways, let's see how this box is. I'm opening with this thing. So this is the package of Sj6 Legend, fully packed, and one bill is here, 9,499 rupees. This packet is having a bubble wrap, so this is good thing that the box is completely safe. Now it is time to place it here. So there are many people who are asking that which action camera is good and which camera you suggest to purchase. If you are a beginner, if you want to start a vlogging, if you want to start a moto vlogging, I don't think any camera is best than this Sj6 Legend because of so many reasons. It has external microphone, it has dual screen, although the front display only shows the numbering thing like recording time and battery time, but leaving that, all the things is very good. You will get so many attachment. The battery life is approx 2 hours. You can record 60 fps on 1080p and 4K also you can record. It is not a complete 4K, it is interpolated 4K at 24 fps. That is not bad, but not that good. So now let us open this box and see what are the things this box include. So let me open this. Another thing which I want to add is that the price is not that expensive, not that cheap. It is a mid-range action camera, and the benefit of this range of camera is that if this camera damaged, you will not cry as loud as that of GoPro or something expensive. So meanwhile, I opened this box, and so this is the first look of this box. See it clearly. So it is written here on the back 16 megapixel Panasonic MN3420 sensor, which is really very good. 166 degree A+ HD wide angle lens. It will show 166 degree. Our eyes see I think 180 degree, but we can't focus all the things. We only see this much, and this much is there, but we can't see completely. And for image, it can record 16 megapixel maximum. Video maximum is 4K. You can record JPG file for image, MOV as well as MP4 in video. 1000 mAh removable battery, which is very good. If I show you the old one, this is the old battery, and this camera supports up to 128 GB micro SD card. That is enough, more than enough. And it has mini USB, Wi-Fi, external mic, and Sjcam remote control. These things this camera is having. But now let me open this box. So this is the outer cover. Let me open this first. The smell is very rubberish, rubber type of smell is coming. It is new, it is brand new camera, and it is heavy. I feel heavy. This one is not that heavy. This is heavy. I don't know why. Maybe because of this cover. So before showing the camera, first I unbox all the box features. What are the things? This is handlebar mount. This is the case of this camera, which you cover on this and put it on your bike, and selfie stick and so many things. This is another attachment. This is smaller attachment, and with the help of this thing you can mount it anywhere. It is having a adhesive tape, 2 pieces here and 2 piece extra adhesive tape. This one is very good. I haven't used the last one, but this time I will be using this. This is touch screen back cover. This back panel is not touch, and if you replace it with this one, you can touch it from here. It is not glass, it is plastic. That means you can use it in underwater. Another thing is some mounts, extra mounts, and one thing I can't see is the J mount. J mount is not here, you have to buy it separately. I have already 2-3 J mounts extra, so I don't need that thing. Another thing is that this duster, this cloth, and with this cloth you can clean the lens, back panel, and so many things. And another thing is 2 sticker, Sjcam original sticker. 2 sticker is very good. You can paste it on your motorcycle, helmet, car, etc, etc. And also one manual having more than 10 languages from English to Chinese. So this is the one compartment which I showed you. Another compartment is here, and here I can see 2 more attachment which you can paste and do like this. This is the attachment, and you can place it like this and use it anywhere. 2 of them is here. I can see one charging cable. There is no charging adapter, but cable is here. Also I can find this thing. This is the cap of lens cap. So this is the lens cap, and this is the camera. You can place it like this and lens will be safe. First let me start this camera for the first time. This thing has started, but battery is showing very less. Both the screen is working. This is back screen and this is front screen. Back screen shows the whatever thing is recording, and the front screen shows the recording time, battery, and few more things. So this was the box and its content, the whole thing which you will be getting with this box. And now is the time to check the box on the motorcycle, on the bike, and let me do some moto vlog with this camera and also with the external mic. So let's go and see how does it goes like. अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं नए वाले Sjcam Sj6 लेजेंड से, जिस पर हमने लगाया हुआ है एक्सटर्नल माइक्रोफोन। और अभी हम आए हैं एक्सटर्नल माइक्रोफोन की चेकिंग करने और कुछ सामान वगैरह भी लेने के लिए। तो जैसी आवाज़ आ रही है, ये बस ऐसे ही हमने लगा दिया है बिना किसी ताम झाम के, ज़्यादा मेहनत किए बिना। और एज ए लेजेंड की क्वालिटी ऐसी है जैसी आपके सामने दिख रही है। बाकी आज धूप बहुत ज़्यादा है, गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है। और हैप्पी होली सभी लोगों को, क्योंकि आज है हैप्पी होली। चल के पूछते हैं कि मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा। फर्नीचर में, टेबल में।
गोल वाली करारी दिखा।
हाँ गोल वाली।
ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्या बेटा?
ये कैमरा है जी। तो ये सब्जी मार्केट की फुटेज भी कैप्चर हो रही है। चलते हैं, अब पेट्रोल भरवा लेते हैं। ₹500 का 5 लीटर 620 ग्राम, 500 रुपये का पेट्रोल, यानी कि 5.5 लीटर के आसपास है। यहाँ पर होली की तैयारियाँ चल रही हैं। बैटरी सिर्फ 1 पॉइंट कम है। कि फुल चार्ज नहीं थी जब हम घर से निकले थे। ये चाहिए।
यहाँ नहीं मिलेगी, आप पट्टी में आगे चले जाइए।
कूलर वाली
नहीं, वो प्लाई की दुकान है।
हाँ,
ये बेगर मट्टी।
ये कील कहाँ मिलेगी? देखिए ये वाली मिलेगी क्या?
ये आपको मस्जिद में मिलेगा। मस्जिद
वो इधर भेजे हैं। तो इतनी छोटी सी चीज़ के लिए इतना भागना पड़ रहा है।
दुकानदार ने ना,
दुकानदार नहीं है। ये देखो है क्या?
ये नहीं लगा होगा।
कील 20 रुपए की। तो ये थोड़ी अंधेरी वाली जगह की रिकॉर्डिंग की फुटेज। So you have seen the quality, the audio quality and the stability of the camera, which is really very good. Quality is very good, audio is also very good. I need some changes in the audio setting in the helmet to make the voice more clear, more good, and also more crispy. So this is it. This is the overall today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. You can comment also, you can share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Anjana Musafir. See you in the next video. Be tomorrow. Bye bye.